Hello, my name is Wirok and I am the head of product management. This clip focuses on the mounting and installation of our frogs. The most important thing is a deep installation box, as we can see over here. But multi or electronic boxes also makes installation much easier. Junction boxes are very suitable for installation in a false ceiling, for example. Outer installations are also not a problem. The frog can be used to switch garden lights as long as they are installed in weatherproof junction boxes. The frogs are independent of the switch program and work with all common systems. The same applies to the lamps. Here can work with incandescent lamps, halogen or LED illuminants. Since our frogs only require the 110 to 230 voltage supply, we can install a frogblue system for retrofit in old buildings or installations in new buildings, always working with the existing infrastructure. In a new building, clever planning can also save a lot of work, time and material. In addition, no special pre-knowledge is necessary and the installation can be planned conventionally. As we see in this picture, we have a triple box with a dim 2-2, which switches and dims two separate light circuits. Also, there is easily enough space for an additional frog. On the right side, it is sufficient working space to connect the wiring and make things easier and more convenient. Several optimization options are available by using free or unused inputs from other frogs. In this example, we have an input tree where only one input is used on one side of the wall. By boring a hole through the wall to the box on the other side, two additional switches can be assigned without adding additional frogs. This is possible because all inputs and outputs can be configured independently of each other. This saves time and money. Several buttons with the same function can be connected in parallel on one input, as with a conventional impulse relay. This could be used if all three buttons should switch the same light. The additional inputs are free for other functions. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.